In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bank of Queensland app branches and ATMs near you, step by step. Whether you're a new customer or simply need to locate a nearby service, this guide will make the process easy and clear. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your internet browser and navigate to the Bank of Queensland's official website. You can do this by typing in the URL, which is wbocva.com.au, into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar layout and branding of the bank, which signifies that you're in the right place. Now let's move on to finding that branch or ATM. Look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. This icon is commonly used to denote a menu on websites and apps. Go ahead and click on those lines. This action will open up a side menu with various options. Scroll through these options until you come across the one labeled Find a Branch or ATM. It's pretty straightforward, so click on it once you find it. After clicking, you'll be directed to a new page dedicated to helping you locate the nearest branches or ATMs. This page has an intuitive search functionality which makes the process even easier. Here, you'll see a search bar prominently placed on the page. This is where you can enter relevant information to help the system narrow down your options. You can type in your current location details such as a postcode, suburb name, or even a bank, state, branch, BSB number if you prefer. This flexibility allows you to tailor the search to your specific needs. Once you've entered your search criteria, hit the search button, and the system will display a list of available branches and ATMs that match your query. You'll notice that each search result includes essential details like the address, operating hours, and available services at that specific branch or ATM. This information is invaluable if you're planning a visit and need to know what services are offered or when they're open. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find Bank of Queensland branches and ATMs near you using their website. This process ensures that you'll always be able to locate the banking services you need right in your vicinity, making it convenient to manage your banking needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments, and we'll be happy to help. Happy banking!